this morning. A Karnataka minister's claim over a bid to honey trap several ministers and MLAs has led to a massive political showdown in the state of Karnataka, where the minister K.N. Rajanna claimed that there was an attempt to honey trap several MLAs and ministers, including himself. Following the explosive claim, the BJP has raised the issue in the assembly. But what happened next? About 18 of the BJP MLAs were suspended from the state assembly. And not just that, these MLAs that have been suspended for a period of 6 months. This decision that was taken after the BJP MLA stormed to the well of the House and the Assembly, demanding an investigation into the minister's claims. The BJP MLAs were then dragged out of the Assembly, and thereafter the decision was taken to suspend them.
Jarkiwali, one of the senior most leader, he is one of the prominent minister. उन्हें स्टेटमेंट दिया है तो सच रहता है. कौन है, कौन कर रहा है, हनी ट्रैपिंग का किंग पिन कौन है, इन्वेस्टमेंट कौन कर रहा है, उसका जांच होना चाहिए. आरोप किया हुआ आम आदमी नहीं है, पत्रकार आरोप किया नहीं, आम आदमी आरोप किया नहीं, आरोप किया है वरिष्ठ नेता है, कांग्रेस सरकार का मिनिस्टर है.
Cooperative Minister and a senior most Minister Rajanna, who is also an MLA from Tumkur district, has alleged he and also more than 40 leaders has been honey trapped by someone else. He has not mentioned the name of the person who tried to honey trap. But it's a very serious issue. Never in the history of Karnataka, it was never discussed on the floor of the House. More importantly, one more senior minister, Satish Jarkiwali, has also confirmed the honey trap case that is going on in Karnataka.
वो इश्यू खत्म करने के लिए वो कांग्रेस का हाईकमांड का दिल्ली से वो सूचना आ गया. ऐसा सोच के हम हंगामा कर दिया है. हमारा 18 एमएलए को अभी आज सस्पेंड कर दिया है. अभी हम गवर्नर के पास जाके क्या हुआ है, गवर्नर को भी हम कंप्लेंट देता है. बाहर पार्टी का तरफ से हम क्या करना है, प्रोटेस्ट कैसा करना है, हम चालू करता है.
Meanwhile, the Congress says that the BJP MLAs had to be suspended to maintain the decorum of the Assembly. Meanwhile, when it comes to several of the issues that were raised by the BJP yesterday, that led to the several of those MLAs to be suspended for a period of 6 months.
ये पहली बार नहीं है कर्नाटक में, 20 साल से हो रहा है. हर पार्टी का इसका विक्टिम है. बीजेपी, जेडीएस, कांग्रेस, ऑफिशियल्स, सीनियर पॉलिटिशियन, सब लोग इसके विक्टिम है. इसके लिए हमने मांग किया, इसका एक कंप्लीट होना चाहिए, उसके आधार पे जांच होना चाहिए.
From past 6 months, I think it's happening. From past 2.5 months, I think it is happening with my father also. He's a cooperative minister. So today, I think he has spoken in session assembly, and he has seeked investigation to Home Minister. Let's see what things will.
So is it only with you? Do you also come to know other ministers also the honey trap has happened?
No, I don't know. On other people, I don't know what has happened. On me and my father, I think it's happening.
Who's the gang? Do you know who are behind it? How did she approach it?
We don't know that. So we have asked to investigate to Home Minister.
Speaker has taken a historical decision by suspending 18 MLAs for a duration of 6 months. So I appreciate and justify this statement. I stand with the Speaker decision because he done a justice to the Constitution of India. Strong message to the entire country. Yes, Speaker is supreme in the Assembly.
Well, Neha is joining live with us. Neha, good morning. A lot of issues that were raised by the BJP that rocked the Assembly session yesterday, including that of the issue of the quota bill and then also of the issue of honey trap. However, that has led to the suspension of several BJP MLAs. What is that happened in the Assembly yesterday, if you can quickly summarize?
Well, yes, Amita, minutes after the assembly began yesterday, the last day of the assembly, we saw the BJP MLAs, in fact, protesting, holding blank CDs in the well of the assembly. Now, even as, of course, you had the speaker there not suspending them right in the start itself for creating the chaos, the chief minister, in fact, continued to go on with, his speech. There were a couple of bills as well, that, of course, there was an attempt to introduce, but towards the latter half of the assembly, right after the lunch hours, when we saw absolute chaos and ruckus breaking out in the assembly. BJP legislators who stormed the well of the assembly, in fact, even tore up the reservation bill for the Muslim community that was there. They, in fact, protested with posters and banners of 60% loot Sarkara, and right towards the end is when, in fact, they continued their protest, demanding a thorough probe into this honey trap matter that was brought up. And that's when, in fact, you've had the speaker, of course, going on to suspend 18 of these MLAs, saying that they're not letting the session go on, that they're disrespecting their chair as well. Now, even as, of course, this has taken place, this is probably, of course, a massive political storm there that broke out in the assembly. That's not really going to be ending there. We heard BJP legislators saying that they're going to go to the Raj Bhavan, they're going to the governor, that their party, in fact, of course, is also formally going to continue to raise this issue. But yes, while the assembly session has ended, the fact is that, this issue now of the honey trap that's been brought up in the assembly doesn't seem like it's going to be ending anytime soon.
All right. Thank you very much, Neha, for joining in. Well, a lot of ruckus and pandemonium and dramatic scenes that were witnessed in the Karnataka Assembly yesterday.